So yeah, I'm just going to wrap this like shawarma. I'm going to allow it to sit there for like, hi guys. So remember I said there are so many things you can do with foil, aluminium foil, and I've tried like 3 to 4 things you can do with foil. If you've not seen it, you have to go and check out my channel. So today we'll be trying it out for paint. Yeah, I had this, like this aluminium foil, this, yes, this can cure pain. I don't know how true that is, but I'll be trying it in this video. So I've been feeling serious pain on this my leg, so I'll be wrapping this on my leg, and according to research and according to what I've seen and what I've heard, it is meant to cure the pain in, like, let me say, less than 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I'll be trying it today in this video, aluminium foil for pain, and let us see if it's actually going to work, or this whole thing is just, I don't know, people are just saying what they feel like. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Thank you. I'll just be trying it on this leg. So first I'm going to get rid of this. Next, I'm going to get my aluminium foil, and I'm going to like so yeah, this is the area where I'm feeling the pain, just here around this place. So I'm just going to be wrapping this. So yeah, I'm just going to wrap this like shawarma. I'm going to allow it to sit there for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, I guess. So yeah, this is my leg. How do I look though? I can't believe I just wrapped my leg like shawarma. So yeah, this is it. I wrapped everywhere, front and back, but that particular area I'm feeling the pain. So I wrapped down, up, and all of that. So let us wait and see if it's actually going to work, because all I'm meant to do is this. Okay, so I left it for more than 1 hour, so this should be an hour 30 minutes or 2 hours if I'm not mistaken, because I got busy with other things. So now I just want to take it off because heat, I'm sweating inside there, so I just want to take it off. I can't really feel the pain like that again. Can't really feel the pain like that though. I don't know if it's the foil. I don't know if to believe it's the foil, but I can't really feel the pain like that again anyway. So what do you think? Have you tried this trick before? Are you planning on trying it? Have you heard of it before? Did I do it well? Let me know in the comment section. So you can try it, and if you want to try it, maybe you should try it overnight, or you can try it and leave it for the whole day, because I left it for just 2 hours and I feel relieved a bit. So maybe truly it works. I'm going to try it again for like 2 days or so, then I'll come back to give you the feedback in the comment section. That's if I can't make a video telling you if it worked or not, I'll write it in the comment section. So thanks for staying with us on today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not. Also, if you're having pains in your hands also and like that, you can just wrap it around your hand or anywhere you're having the pain. So thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.